No, Mom.
So they been walking. What is it?
Mom, I was wondering. Like, I've been noticing, how come in the Edo language you always put a in front of words? Like some words. Like, for example, if I say car, you say a car. And if I say brush, you say a brush. Or if I say bottle, you say a bottle.
That is the language. Yeah, for you to know that you're speaking Edo language, Benin, that's how we break it. That's how they do it. For example, if I want to say, maybe if you say biro, I'll say a biro. If you want to say ruler, I'll say a ruler. That's Benin language. That's for you to know that, yeah, that's Benin language for you. You must put a, you break it down so other people will know that you're speaking Benin. So what's bad?
No, but it's still kind of like weird. Like, why do you always have to say a in front of it?
That is, now if you want to go and ask your great ancestor, father, go and ask. But I don't know what you will say. It might understand, but they don't even mean it.
No, but it's just like very weird. Like, why would you be saying a in front?